How to use stock video in CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use stock videos in CapCut to level up your video editing. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the CapCut app. Now simply tap on the plus icon, which is a new project. It will take you to your videos section where you can choose from various videos that you have on your phone. But we're going to access the stock video library of CapCut. So simply go to the library section, which you can find at the top right beside recents. Here you can find various videos like trending, Christmas, green screen, background, and various others from which you can choose and put it in your video. You can also search for the right stock video at the search bar. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using green screen. Simply choose the video that you want to add to your CapCut. Simply click on it and select and tap on add. And from here, you can simply customize the stock video. And that's it. That's how you can simply add a stock video in CapCut.